Alright, everyone, welcome. Today, we are talking about something we all use but totally take for granted H2O.
And honestly, the data is looking a bit rough. Our water quality is definitely not passing the vibe check right now.
As someone who's basically lives for the good sushi or great fish dinner, I can confirm the situation under the sea is officially a mess.
And if the fish are struggling, we should be worried too. Everything in nature is connected through one giant loop.
We are breaking down how our trash literally becomes our dinner. It's the ripple effect, and spoiler alert, it's actually kind of terrifying. Let's dive in. It starts right here on our streets. You might think it's just one boba straw or it's just a little bit of car oil leaking on the road, but where exactly does that go? Well, here is the reality check. Storm drains aren't magic portals to a cleaning plant. They are basically straight pipes that lead to the nearest river, which then flows directly into the sea. When it rains, the water picks up all our litter, chemical fertilizers from gardens, and even road salt, and then flushes it right into the fish's living room. So, we are basically treating the ocean like a giant undo button for our trash. But it doesn't actually work. It just moves the mess from our pavement to their home. And once it's in the water, it's almost impossible to get back out.
Okay, let's talk scale. We are talking 8 million metric tons of plastic entering the ocean every single year. That's a huge L for the planet, honestly. But the real villain? Microplastics. You see, plastic never actually disappears. It is basically immortal. It just breaks into smaller and smaller pieces until they are microscopic. Think of a grain of salt, but made of all yogurt cups or synthetic clothes. Ugh. My data shows that fish aren't just eating this by accident, they are literally marinated in them. Because plastic acts like a toxic magnet. It soaks up oily pollutants and pesticides from the water. It's a high-tech poison delivery system that's currently trending in every ocean on the map, and it's getting harder to filter out.
Imagine you're a fish. You see something sparkly. Looks like a snack, right? Nope, it's a microplastic. Since plastic can't be digested, it stays in the fish system forever. This leads to bioaccumulation. The toxins move from the plastic into the fish pet cells and they stay there. They don't poop it out. They just get more toxic every single day. Then, bigger fish eat thousands of those poisoned small fish. This is biomagnification. The higher up the food chains you go, the more concentrated the bad stuff gets. Imagine the Straw Hat's pirate cook is trying to pack a fish for the crew. If the ocean is sick, even the legendary old blue would be the worth finding. When the best chef and the future king of the pirates are disappointed in the catch of the day, you know we got a massive problem.
So, why do we care? Because humans are at the top of the food chain. That fancy sushi or grilled salmon is the end of the line for all those toxins. When we eat contaminated fish, we're taking in heavy metals like mercury and lead. These are brain breakers. They can mess with your memory and your focus over time. It's like eating a tiny bit of poison with every meal without even realizing it. And those microplastic Yasmin was talking about, we're finding them in the human blood and even our lungs now. We are literally becoming what we throw away. Our bodies are paying the price for our convenience first lifestyle. We thought we were just getting rid of trash, but we were actually just feeding it back to ourselves.
Now, let's ask for our teacher's opinion.
Assalamualaikum, hi everyone. Saya Cikgu Anis daripada SMK Nilai Impian. Dan personally berkenaan dengan projek yang dilakukan oleh anak-anak murid saya, ianya merupakan satu projek kesedaran untuk alam sekitar dan penjagaan di mana mereka telah menghasilkan satu video yang sangat menarik dan kesedaran tersebut perlulah disebarluaskan kepada masyarakat terutamanya. Kita harus bijaksana dalam menguruskan semua sisa-sisa yang ada di muka bumi supaya tidak merosakkan alam sekitar, apatah lagi kepada tumbuhan maupun haiwan. Itu sahaja. Sekian, terima kasih.
Okay, that was a lot. Is it game over for the planet?
Not yet. Nature is the queen of the comeback. If we stop the pollution at the source, ecosystem can actually heal themselves quite fast.
The fact shows that banning single-use plastic and building better city filtering system makes a massive difference within just a few years.
It's about being a conscious consumer. Know where your food comes from, recycle properly, and never pour chemicals down the drain.
So, don't be trashy. Keep the water splashy.
Too much, but the point stands.
Protect the water.
Protect your health.
Stay hydrated.
Stay smart. It's about being